Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna be in Artavia taking a look at this David Weekley home that just recently got a price reduction of over $100,000. It was originally in the $700,000 range. Right now it's listed for $599,000. It is gonna be in the Artavia community located in Conroe, guys. This home specifically is gonna be a 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 4,000 square feet of living space. Your schools really quick are gonna be San Jacinto Elementary, Moorhead Junior High, and Caney Creek High School. But without further ado, let's head outside and begin the tour for you guys. This is gonna be the exterior of the house. As you guys can see, it's gonna be made out of stone and red brick on all 4 sides. You are gonna be in a cul-de-sac lot offering that little bit of privacy as well as those bigger lots. You are gonna be not only in the cul-de-sac, but also in the corner. This is gonna be your driveway. It's gonna be fitting about 6 cars plus 3. I know that looks like a 2-car garage, but it's actually 3 when we take a look inside. And it's actually separated. So you have your walkway to the house and then you actually have the separate driveway there. It does come included with gutters already. As you can see, beautiful vegetation up in the front. Here in the front porch, you are gonna have 2 black wood pillars supporting your elevation. Now this covered patio is perfect because if you like ordering DoorDash or Amazon, you can go ahead and get it delivered here and you won't have to worry about the weather damaging your goods. Another thing David Weekley added is this extra storage space here on the outside of the house. You can use that for whatever you like. Now before we get inside, we do have these black oak doors with this private window. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. Now as soon as you walk in, you are gonna have a vinyl plank throughout the house. You will have carpet in the bedrooms. First of all, to my left is gonna be your formal dining. This is an absolutely massive formal dining with 2 picture windows taking a look at outside and letting in plenty of natural light. Next to this is gonna be the first bedroom. Let's go ahead and wrap around, which is actually an ensuite, as you guys will see. Now you are gonna have carpet, like I said, and this beautiful glass paned arched window. I absolutely fell in love with this when I saw it. And here is gonna be your closet with these French doors. And like I mentioned, it is an ensuite. As we take a look here, you are gonna have this black granite countertops, weathered down brand cabinets, and a beautiful walk-in shower. Let's go ahead and show you guys. You do have black finishes going along with that black granite. Built-in shelving, and then a little design there, as well as letting in some natural light on that top window. And of course, your toilet. Back into the foyer to the right, you are gonna have your staircase up to the 2nd floor. And underneath that is gonna be a half bath for your guest. As you can see, your toilet and your single sink. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the main focal points of this house. First of all, this beautiful kitchen with this massive granite countertop. What I personally like about this house is how they use those black tones all throughout. Like you can see in the kitchen here, underneath, and you will see it around the trim as well. You do have some bar stool underneath the island, which is always a plus. Here, you're gonna have space for your fridge, built-in stainless steel appliances included. You have your microwave, double ovens. Over here is your dishwasher, and that place is for your wine cooler. It also has a dedicated garbage cabinet. Taking a look at the pantry, it is gonna be a very good size. Let me go ahead and turn on the light. Tons of space there for your food, water, non-perishable items. Now for your countertops, you are gonna have 2 tones. For your island, you are gonna have this black granite, as I mentioned, and over here you have this brown with gray tile backsplash. Your extractor there, tons of cabinet space, all underneath this and even under the island as well. Next to that is gonna be a absolutely massive breakfast area. You can actually use this as a second dining next to the living room. As you can see, tons of windows all throughout this area. Very open floor plan, and over here is gonna be your living area. You do have a gas log fireplace there. Tons of light coming in from all these windows. And I absolutely fell in love with this when I first saw it. Now here, tucked away in the corner is gonna be your owner's suite. Again, tons of light. Just look at the amount of windows and this cathedral ceiling here in the owner's suite. Like I said, carpet, This is pretty big, and it is taking a look at your backyard with no neighbors. Now, as we make our way along to the primary bathroom, first of all, to the right is gonna be your separate soak-in tub and all glass shower. Like I mentioned, you have that black detailing all around the house with those finishes. You see it on the trim on the bathroom, which I absolutely love. Now for your soak-in tub, it is gonna be white with this tile, which you will also find here in the all glass shower. More black finishes there. And that tile, like I mentioned, with some shelving space and a window there. Pretty big walk-in shower. And as we turn around, you do have dual sinks for his and hers, as well as closets, which we'll take a look at in a minute. You are gonna have marble countertops here on both, and both each come with a large mirror. Now behind this sink is gonna be your private toilet, and then next to that is gonna be your closet, which is very open. As you can see, you don't have a door here, so it's just very open. Tons of shelving space, tons of hanging space, a sitting area, and a mirror already installed so you can get ready. And then on this side, you have the other closet for the other partner, as well as extra windows there. And this whole area, like I said, we just left the primary, went into the bathroom, into the closet, seamlessly connecting into the laundry. I've never seen a laundry room like this. You have a window, extra counter space there with that same granite that we found in the kitchen, washer and dryer connections, and again, that black color coming back with those cabinets found there, as well as there. Here is gonna be your mudroom. You have some shoe storage there, hanging space there, and this is where you're gonna find your 3-car garage. Tankless water heater there for instant hot water that doesn't run out. Pretty spacious 3-car garage. You have some extra space here for tools, seasonal items, anything you might wanna store here in the garage. Coming back, another unique thing is this space here, which I think is absolutely perfect for pets. If you want to go ahead and tuck them away when you have guests over or put them in timeout for whatever reason, you can put them here in the laundry room. Last but not least, extra space there. Now let me go ahead and give you an overview of this laundry room. This is what I would call a utility room because they have just built in so many things in here and made such good use of this space. And this wraps around leading back into your kitchen. Right here, you are gonna find even more closet space where pre-wiring for your Wi-Fi. That's gonna be for your alarm sensors. When those windows are opened, it's gonna go ahead and alert the whole house. And we're back into the stairs. Now we can go ahead and take a look at the second floor. As you can see, they matched the vinyl plank to the steps leading up to the second floor. As soon as you walk up the stairs, you're in the second living area. Again, glass paned windows there. And one thing you don't see very often at this price range being a home theater. Already installed and ready to go. All you need to do is add your TV or a projector and some seats. And right here, you are gonna have space to your attic. Super easy to get your inspection and maintain the house through that door. And you even have it there as well. Here you are gonna find 2 more bedrooms, a half bath and a Jack and Jill. This is gonna be the half bath. Pretty simple, black cabinets again. And between the bedrooms, extra storage space, kind of like a second pantry. Carpet throughout this whole area except in those bathrooms. Now this is gonna be the first bedroom up here. The pretty spacious closet as well. Ceiling fan and recessed lighting. Now, like I said, this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Thankfully, having dual sinks for those bedrooms sharing this bathroom. And it's gonna be separated, your tub shower combo with that tile, another window, shelving space, and toilet. Connecting to the last and final bedroom up here. Now back on the first floor next to the abundance of windows is gonna be how you access your backyard. Now this is gonna be your covered patio. As you can see, it's absolutely massive, something you don't see very often. They also included a gas line if you wanna add an outdoor kitchen. Above, you are gonna have black wood boarding with recessed lighting. The all side red brick, which is absolutely beautiful. And just take a look at all this yard you have, plus the huge covered patio. Over here, you actually have enough space to add a pool if that's something you desire over here in this corner. And even more yard space here. All right, guys, that is it for the full tour of this home. Again, a $100,000 price reduction for this. I think this is an amazing deal. Not only are you getting that price reduction, but David Weekley is also running incentives towards helping buy down your interest rate as well as covering all, if not most, of your closing costs. If you would like to take advantage of these incentives and this great deal, my information is going to be down in the description. Give me a call and we can set up a private tour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.